Hello students, in the microprocessor, all the experiments and all the practicals we are going to perform on the SIM 8085. Okay, so this is our experiment number 2. The aim of experiment number 2 is to write 8085 assembly language program and to find the largest number from a block of bytes. Okay, in this experiment you have to find out the largest number from the given data. Okay, next is the theory of that experiment is this program the data are stored at location 8001H onwards. The 8000H is containing the size of the block. After executing this program, it will return the largest number and store it at location 8009H. Logic is very simple. We are taking the first number at register B to start the job. In each iteration, we are getting the number from memory and storing it into register A. Then, if B is less than A, then we simply update the value of B with A. Otherwise, go for the next iteration. Thus, we can find the smallest number in a block of byte. In the following table, you can see that these all are the addresses and these all are the data that are stored in the given address. 8000, on the 8000 location, the available data is 6. On 8001, data available is 55. On 8002, available data is 22. On 8003, available data is 44. 8004, 11. On 8005, 33. On 8006, the available data is 66. This is the flow chart, and this flow chart we will discuss at the time of execution of our program. And this is the program. This program is used to find out the largest number. First one instruction is that Alexa H 8000H. 8000 is the memory location of HL pair. Next one instruction is that MOV C, M. Move C, M. Move the content of memory location 8000H to register C. On 8000H location, whatever the data is available, that are moved towards the register C. After that, next instruction is INX H. Increment the content of HL pair. Then MOV B, M. Move B, M. Move the content of memory location to the register B. Next one instruction is that DCRC. DCRC is decrease the content of register C. Here is next one instruction is INX H. It is loop INX H. Increment the content of or increase the content of HL pair. Here loop is created, and another one means next one instruction is to move the content of M to A. That is instruction is MOV move A, M. This instruction is used to move the content of memory location to towards the accumulator A. And next instruction is CMP. CMP means compare B with A. CMP B. It compare the content of B register to the accumulator. Next instruction is JC. Skip. JC means jump. If carry is generated, then go towards the skip. That means if B is B is greater than A, then go towards the skip. Where is skip? Okay. Next instruction is MOV. Move B, A. It will move the content of accumulator to the B register. Next is skip. And here is DCRC. Decreases the content of register C. And J and Z. Look. Jump. J and Z means jump, not 0. That means when count is not 0, then go to the loop. Go to loop. Again, next instruction is LXIH, 8009H. This instruction denotes the 8009H is the memory location of HL pair. Then next instruction is to move M, B. Move the content of register B to memory location M. Then HLT halt. It terminates the program. Okay. Yes. Now what you have to do? You have to, first of all, you have to select the memory location on SIM8085. In this way, you have to write on 8000 memory location. You have to write the data 6. Okay. After that, on memory location 8001, you have to write data 55. See here on 8002. After that 8002, the data is 22. On 8003, you have to put data 44. On 8004, the data, you have to store the data 11. On 8005, you have to store data 33. And on 8006, you have to store data 66. Okay. Okay, after that, what you have to do? You have to click on assemble and load program. Then run one instruction. Okay, here you can see that LXIH 8000H. What happened? On HL pair, there is 8000 location is here. Then increment the content of HL pair. Sorry, next one instruction is that move C, M. Move C, M means the content of memory location is moved to the register C. On C. On C register there is 6. Why there is 6? Because on 8000 memory location the available data is 6. Okay. Then increment HL pair. Here you can see that the HL pair is incremented. That means it is of 8001. Then next one instruction is move B comma M. What happened here? Move the content of memory location to the B. What is in the memory location? On memory location there is 55. 8001 there is 55. That 55 is moved on B. Then DCR-C. Decrement the content of C register. What happened here? Now previously the data was 6. Now it is 5. Now next one instruction was loop INXH. Now here is loop and increment the content of HL pair. Now you can see that the HL pair is increases by 1. Previously it was 8001 and now it is 8002. Again next one instruction is CMPB. Sorry, move A comma M. It will move the content of memory location. You can see that on memory location there is 22. On 8002 it is 22 and that move to the accumulator. So here you can see that there is 22 on accumulator. Next is CMPB. It will compare the content of register B to the content of accumulator. Okay. Now in the then jump, carry, then go to the skip. If there is carry, then go towards the skip instruction. Carry generated? Yes. Yes. Here you can see that the carry is generated. This right mark shows the carry is generated. Now carry is generated, then go towards the skip instruction. Means this instruction. Now DCR-C. It decreases the content of C register. You can see that now it is 4. Previously it was 5. Now it is 4. Again jump not 0, then go towards the loop. Here you can observe that it is not 0. So it go towards the loop instruction. Increment INXH. Again it is increment the HL pair. You can see that HL pair is incremented by 1. Previously it was 8002. Now it is 8003. Then move M comma A. Move the content of memory location. How it is? On 8003 it is 44. Move towards the accumulator. Now in accumulator it is 44. Then CMPB. Compare the content of B register. Means 55 will be compared to accumulator 44. Then again next instruction is jump if carry is generated. Carry generate ho gaya? Yes, carry is generated. So go towards the skip instruction. Okay, on skip instruction again DCR-C. That means it decreases the content of register C. You can see that it is decreases by 1. Means previously it was 4, now it is 3. Okay. Then jump not 0, then go to loop. Here you can see that it is not 0. It is 0 or no? No, it is not 0. So go towards the again ये loop की तरफ जा रहा है. That means it is increment the HL pair. Yes, increment the HL pair means it is incremented by 1. Previously it was 8003. Now it is 8004. Again move the content of memory location to accumulator. How it is? How much in the memory location it is? The data available on the memory location 8004 is 11, and that move to accumulator. So now in accumulator there is data 11. Compare B. Compare B means it is compare the data of register B to the accumulator. That means 55 will be compared to 11. Again jump carry is generated, then go to skip. Carry is generated. Yes, carry is generated. Then it will go to skip instruction. DCRC. Decrement the content of register C. Yes. Previously it was 3. Now it is 2. Jump not 0. Then go to loop. Yes, not 0. Then it will go to loop instruction. Again INXH. Increment the content of HL pair. HL pair. It increases the content of HL pair. Now it is 5. Previously it was 4. Again CMPB. Sorry, move A, M. Move the content of memory location. Memory location पे कितना है? It is 33. On 8005 it is 33. Move the memory location. That means 33 is moved to the accumulator. You can observe that in the accumulator now it is 33. Then compare B. Compare B means the content of register B is 55 will be compared to the accumulator content 33. Again jump carry is generated. If carry, then go to the skip instruction. Carry generate. Yes, carry is generated. Then it will go to the skip. Again DCRC. Decrement the C register. Previously it was 2. Now it is 1. Now jump not 0. Then go to loop. You can observe that it is not 0. Again it will go to loop. INXH. Increase the content of HL pair. Now it is 8006. Previously it was 5. Now it is 6. Then move M, A. On memory location 8006. How many? It is 66. 66 is in the accumulator now. 66 is in the accumulator. Next CMPB. Again compare the content of B to A. Means 55 will be compared to 66. Jump carry is generated. Then go to skip. Yes, carry is generated. No, carry is not generated. Now it will move the content of accumulator to B. How many in the accumulator? In accumulator there is 66. That 66 is moved to register B. You can observe that on the register B. Now the contents are 66. Then skip DCR C. Decreases the content of C. Yes, previously it was 1. Now it is 0. Jump not 0. Go to loop. But the result is 0. Okay, 0 is generated. तो ये loop की तरफ नहीं जाएगा. It will go to the next instruction. LXIH 8009. That means the result is available on the 8009H memory location. This is the 8009H is the HL pair memory location 8009. Then move M comma B, move the content of register B to M. How many in the B register? On B register the available data is 66 and it will go to memory location. You can see that on memory location 8009H the data available is 66. That means the largest number is 66. It is the result. Okay, understand it?